Name of the city with highest population in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Mumbai. Name of the longest river in India. Which option is correct? Answer B. Ganga. Name of the largest state in area of India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Rajasthan. Name of the largest state in population of India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Uttar Pradesh. Name of the longest tunnel in India. Which option is correct? Answer C. Pir Panjal. Name of the highest gateway of India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Buland Darwaja. Name of the largest lake in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Uller Lake. Name of the longest electric route train in India. Which option is correct? Answer C. New Delhi Kolkata. Name of the densely populated state in India. Which option is correct? Answer D. West Bengal. Name of the largest state in forest of India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Assam. Name of the largest cave temple in India. Which option is correct? Answer C. Ellora. Name of the largest desert in India. Which option is correct? Answer D. Thar. Name of the highest waterfall in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Jog. Name of the largest river bridge in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Howrah. Name of the largest delta in India. Which option is correct? Answer B. Sundarban. Name of the largest animal fair in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Sonpur. Name of the largest cave temple in India. Which option is correct? Answer B. Kailash. Name of the longest road bridge in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Name of the highest mountain peak in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Karakoram. Name of the longest road in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Grand Trunk Road. Name of the highest dam in India. Which option is correct? Answer C. Bhakra Dam. Name of the longest canal in India. Which option is correct? Option A. Indira Gandhi Canal. Name of the highest lake in India. Which option is correct? Answer D. Devtal Lake. Where is the longest platform in India? Which option is correct? Answer C. Gorakhpur. Where is the largest museum in India? Which option is correct? Answer A. Kolkata. Where is the largest zoo in India? Which option is correct? Answer A. Kolkata. Where is the palace for the highest rainfall in India? Which option is correct? Answer B. Manisram. Where is the longest railway bridge in India? Which option is correct? Answer A. Dehri on Son. Where is the Bogie Bell Railcom Road Bridge in India? Which option is correct? Answer C. Assam. Name of the largest artificial lake in India. Which option is correct? Answer A. Govind Sagar. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.